Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News. Today marks 1 year since the passing of reggae dancehall legend Bunny Wailer, the original Don Dadda and founding member of the Wailers band, which included his stepbrother Bob Marley and Peter Tosh. Born Neville Livingston on April 10, 1947, Bunny died on March 2, 2021. The Trenchtown native was in and out of hospital after suffering a second stroke in July 2020. While Bunny is known globally and recognized for his roots reggae music, many people may not be aware that he also has a distinction of being the only Wailer to record dancehall music. Bunny was unapologetic about the fact that he was a Don Dadda of Dancehall, as he sang in his 1992 song Don Dadda, which was recorded on the African beat riddim on which he sang and deejayed. Don Dadda is a term for the top man in Kingston's inner city communities, who wields so much power that he is both respected and feared by everyone, including lesser dons and politicians. The moniker was later adopted by dancehall DJ Supercat not long after. In 1987, Bunny Wailer released the album Rule Dancehall, a 12-track production that included tracks such as Rule Dancehall, Jolly Session, Put It On, and Hot Foothead. Prior to that, he recorded the album Rock and Groove, which had a slew of dancehall-flavored hits that were popular at dances. Among them were Dance Rock, Cool Runnings, Rootsman Skankin', and Ballroom Floor. The title track, Rock and Groove, topped the Jamaican Broadcast Corporation's radio Top 30 chart in 1981. And later that year, Cool Runnings also became a chart topper. Ballroom Floor debuted on the RJR Top 40 chart in early 1982, while Dance Rock debuted just outside the top 10 a few months later. Bunny Wailer won the Grammy Award for the Best Reggae Album 3 times. The first occasion was in 1991 for the album Time Will Tell, a tribute to Bob Marley. In 1995, he copped the award again, this time for Crucial, and in 1997 for the Hall of Fame, a tribute to Bob Marley's 50th anniversary. He also received numerous honors, including the Order of Jamaica in 2012 and the Order of Merit, Jamaica's 4th highest national honor in 2016. Just over a week ago, Bunny Wailer's son announced an upcoming year-long celebration, Electric 75, which is to commemorate the reggae icon's life in what would have been his 75th year. His son had revealed a video teaser promoting a year-long calendar of events in memory of the singer, fondly known as Jabi. The Living Legacy celebrated 75 legendary years and counting. We are proud to premiere in Reggae Month the official teaser for Bunny Wailer's 75th birthday anniversary, Electric 75, he had noted. Thank you for watching.